All right, guys, we have the third hired request of the 2018 fall list up today. Bruce Hornsby. And the range, look out any window. All right, so I've got piano sound layered with my string sound, reverb, and chorus to kind of get that Bruce Hornsby sound as close as I can get it. And so we just kind of start out. I transcribed this intro because I thought we could probably do it on piano, even though I don't think the piano's leading it at the beginning. It's just kind of holding it. Move on to the next chord. Right there. Then the piano does come in. Hello everyone, I'm Shawn and welcome to my Easy Piano Lessons. We're about to do the part 1 lesson here, and all of the lessons for this are on my website, webpianoteacher.com. Works on all your tablets, your phones, whatever you're using to do your piano lessons these days. And I have, getting close to 6,000 videos now as I get through the next hard request list as far as total videos on the site. So lots of stuff on there for you guys. Even if you are a complete beginner, I have lessons for you. But let's get going with this part 1 here. What I did, sometimes, I'll leave the intro out if the piano's not really doing anything, or if it's just kind of not much at the beginning. But I figured we could do this on piano. So let's try it out, see if it works. If it doesn't work out for you, you can just start where the piano comes in. All right, but for those of you who want to do it, let's try it. On the left hand, I have a B written there, but why don't we go ahead and do an octave and a fifth? All right, so this is not a beginner lesson. If you are a complete beginner, you might need my 79 beginner lessons on the site where you're ready for something like this, but maybe you can do it. Just let's give it a try. B, F sharp, and B. And again, I have piano and strings layered on my keyboard. If you just have piano, that's fine. The right hand's going to have B, F sharp, B. And I'm just going to kind of sink into it. And I kind of just, as I'm holding it, this is just work on your electronic keyboards. If you have a piano, you can kind of play real softly the notes you have are holding down while you're holding the pedal. It's kind of noodling around. And then we go. The next chord, we have the same in the right hand, the B, F sharp, B, but the left hand's going to move to an E octave. You can put a B in the middle. You say, how long do I hold those? Just for maybe 4 long counts. It's kind of like, when a conductor is just holding fermated chords and he's holding it, and then you go to the next one when you're ready. It's kind of by feel here at the beginning. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. You can kind of hear the guitar go. If you want to put that in there, C sharp, D sharp, C sharp, D. It's going to be B, E, A on the right, left hand on F sharp. Octave, you can put a C sharp in the middle if you'd like. And then B, E, G sharp on the left hand stays, and then going to be B, E, G sharp on the right with 1, 2, 4. Left hand moves back down to E, B, E, and then B, F sharp. So this is part of the Bruce Hornsby sound, the open fifth, open fourth sound. You know that? Just have that B and F sharp there, and then we end up where we started. B, F sharp, B, left hand on B, F sharp, B as well. Then I hear. So whatever instrument's doing that, some sort of synth sound or keyboard or even guitar with a heavy effect. C sharp, D sharp, and then F sharp, C sharp. There's that open fifth we talked about. Left hand on E, B, E. Then B, F sharp, B, and then E, and then F sharp. And I put an ellipsis, dot, 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 which just means you just keep doing that. Hold it out for a while, so you have this wall of sound. And then on this one, I like to put the F sharp low. Okay, B, E, A on the right, and then G sharp, 1, 2, 5, I like to have the E low as well. E octave, E, G sharp, B, D sharp, C sharp, B, F sharp, B, and hold it for a while, and then you hear Bruce come in. Da, da. So a perfect example, again, of the open fifth, open fourth sound. And all that means is, normally an E chord has E, G sharp, B, right? Well, he will just leave that G sharp out in the middle sometimes and do this. All right? When you have a B chord, B, D sharp, F sharp. Sometimes he'll just leave the D sharp out altogether. And then to take that open fifth sound and put it on top of a different bass note. It's not even a B chord, it's kind of his sound, his thing. So right there at that point, G sharp, E, I'll play all this together in a minute. Maybe hopefully do better than I did the very first time. Then F sharp, B, and left hand on a B, bum, bum, ta ta, E, B, and then back to B, F sharp, B. G sharp, E, B, F sharp, B. Now it changes, bum, 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 F sharp, C sharp. See the open fifth? And then two EBs. So from the piano part, da, da, I tried to illustrate here. I had to go a full measure to come in because I had to press the button. So can't press the button and start at the same time. Maybe there's a way to do that, but so I let it. Yes, I know if you're wondering that there's not a full measure of drums, the drums come right in. But just for the sake of one person doing all this, I had to have a measure. So let's go from the very beginning and see what we might do. I would count 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, stretch it out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then just noodle for a little bit, and then hold it. Song, great song. Not one of the more popular ones for some reason. I think it should be, but very good song. Hope you guys enjoyed the part 1 lesson, and we do finish it on webpianoteacher.com. Hope to see you on the site. It's a great time to make a New Year's resolution, to learn your fun songs you've always wanted to play. And if you're around my age, 45, I do all the stuff you guys like and know. If you're a plus or minus 10 years of where I am, but I hope you had fun. Talk to you later.